Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So assume, for example, I want to create a method out of this. Okay. So even if you see here in switch, I'm giving all the cases. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If there are 100 options, then I have to give 100 cases, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is not easy to maintain. Okay. But if we want to write out of this a method, then we will see how we can write. So if you all observe here, so this is the ID. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you all see what is the common among all the IDs.
Until the set view, it all
So
same.
this till here it is
Same.
Okay.
common. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yes.
only the difference is the last word. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we remove this last word, then we can use only one ID to identify. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So now what we will do, we will create a method. Okay. So I will just comment this. Okay.
Okay.
I'm commenting the whole thing and then I will create a method. Okay. 1 minute. From here, I'm commenting. I'm just copying the same till here. I will create a method. Public void. I'm just giving some name. Checkbox selection is equal to new.
Method.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So till here it's clear, right? So what I'm doing, I'm creating a variable, array variable. Okay. And then I'm giving which value it has to take. Okay. So what would be the of this output of this?
7 elements.
So it is taking the elements because we are using find elements. Okay.
Yeah.
And these discounts will have that elements information, but not the text. Okay. For that, we have to iterate and get the each individual text. So for we are writing for loop where we are writing enhanced for loop where I will iterate and get the text. So here I will be getting the
Each text.
text. Okay. Fine. So till here it's clear for us. Now we are writing here one condition, right? Here, even if you see here writing if this is matching. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. I will write the same thing. Inside the for loop, I'm writing condition if single options dot get text dot equals. Okay.
Okay.
For
Yes.
example, I'm telling dot equals unaccompanied main. For example, I'm giving. Okay. Then what it has to do? It has to go on do the action on this. Okay.
Yeah.
What is accompanied minor? This is the one. Okay. This is the ID. So now we don't want the specific ID to give. We don't want specific ID to give. Instead of that, we want to place here based on the value, whatever we are passing, it has to come and save here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if it is family and friends, then the last word should be family
Family
and
and friends.
friends.
Family and friends.
If it is senior citizens, it should be senior citizens. Everything remains same. Okay, armed forces, it should be defense. Okay, LTC fair, it should be LTC fair. Okay, student, it should be student. Government employee, it should be government employee. See, but the way how they are writing is different.
Yeah.
Here it is family and friends, and here it's like words, family and friends. Okay.
Yeah.
Here it is SR dot citizens, but here it is senior citizens. Okay. So now what we can do here, if you see, there are two values. This is one hard coded value which you are passing, and here is also one hard coded value. So we can pass these two as parameters. What we can do, we can pass these two values as
Parameters.
parameters. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I'm doing string. For example, I'm just giving value, comma. I'm just giving some name, string ID. Okay. So I'm telling the first one will be value. Will give discount value. So this is discount value is nothing but I will pass here. Okay.
Okay.
And then ID is nothing but here. If you all remember, whenever we are concatenating, whenever we want to pass a variable
Yeah.
in ID or XPath, then how we can pass? If you all remember, we discussed,
In
right?
double quotes. Yeah. 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 In double
But
quotes
double quotes.
plus ID.
Yes. ID.
ID plus.
Plus.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You all remember?
Yes.
This is how we can pass. Yeah. So now what I have to do, I have to call this
Inside the main.
inside the main. So I'm going here.
Create an object for the class.
So this is for this, this is for this, this is for this. Okay. This is for this. 1, 2. Okay. So now I will go here. First, I will create an object of this class. Okay. How to create object? I will take the classes, check boxes.
Class object equals to new class
Okay, and then I will give obj dot
variable.
checkbox selections. For example, I want to select defense. Okay, so what I will give value
Armed force.
aid for armed force is one value, and the what is its corresponding ID? I will
Defense.
give defense.
Defense.
Son, no?
Yeah.
Now shall we run?
Yeah.
So which one should select now?
Armed force.
We will see what happens. So see, now I can remove the whole block. This whole code is not required for me. Only this one method is fine. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So we have to find what is the unique thing, how to minimize our lines of code. Okay.
Okay.
See, yes or no?
Yeah.
So now assume if you in next test case you want accompanying minor, okay, then what you will do? You will simple. You will just pass the values accordingly. If you want accompanying minor, simple. It your test case you not to do any change. Okay, you will just pass these values. That's it. Okay, so this what is this called? These two what is these two values called? These two values are called as test data. What?
Test data.
Test data.
Test data. Okay, so we will maintain test data. We will not maintain the test data like this, whatever we have written. Okay, we will maintain in some Excel file somewhere, and then we will read the data from there. Okay.
Okay.
So is that clear?
Yeah.
How we will be writing the automation script? So we will try to reduce the lines of code. That is important for us. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So next we will look into so here, okay, it has selected armed force. Okay, so next we finish this check boxes. Okay, next we'll look into this drop down. So here this drop down. Okay, we have not looked. Oh, we have already finished from 1 to, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay. So now there is calendar, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now we will look into how to handle calendar. Okay.
Mhm.
So here, if you see how many calendars you can see when you click,
2.
and there are 2 calendars. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will just go here 1 minute. Okay. So here, when I click here, so what happens when I select here, then calendar is coming automatically. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now here, for example, you want to travel on September. Okay. Then first, how will you check? Tell me what you have to tell to driver. Like you want to select some date, some September 5th. Then how will you tell to driver? When you are doing manual testing, how will you check whether the month and date
Like
to select? So first you will come here, you will click here. Okay. Then what you will do?
the right arrow,
Why right arrow?
because that is the one who is active here.
No, see, when you want to know that, you have to select September 5th. First you will read this. Is this September?
No.
Is this September?
No.
So this is one window. This is one window. So there are two windows here. Yes or no? 2 months. This is 1
Okay.
month and this is 2nd month. Yes or no? So we will
Yeah.
check whether the opened months is matching to our month. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Assume if September here, then directly you go and click on 5.
Mhm.
If September here, you go and click on 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because here there is no September, then what you will do, you'll go and click on this. Then you will check, is this September? No. Is this September? No. Again, what you will do? You will click on this or this.
This right one.
I will click here. So is this September? No. Is this September? Yes. When I find that this is September, it is matching to my month, then I will go inside here and I will select the date which I want. Yes or no? This is how we do whenever we are booking.
Yes.
The same we also have to tell to driver, hey driver, read this, okay?
Okay.
And then if it is matching to September, then go inside, then read all these days and then select me the date which I want. Is that clear? This is how we do, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
In the same way we'll do now. Okay. So now I'm going to create a new class. For example, calendar. Okay.
Static vector.
Okay. So now here I will open this. I will go and click on this. Okay. So to go and click on this, what I have to do?
Right click, inspect.
Right click and inspect.
Right click and inspect. Very good. When I inspect here, then
Mhm.
I will go and inspect this. Yes or no? Because I have to click on this.
Yeah.
Yes.
When I click on this,
Star
we have
sign.
ID.
Yes.
So I can directly click on that ID. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Drag it down.
script to click on
Depart date.
departed. Okay. So you understood why I'm writing comments. So it will be easy whenever you are referring something. Okay. For what that block of code belongs to. Okay. So for example, you want to refer after 1 month, 2 months, then you will understand what action it is doing. Okay. So whenever you are writing code also, you write some relevant comments. What
Okay.
makes, so what is that piece of code? Okay. Clear. So that you will not get confused. When there are hundreds of lines of codes, you will not get confused. When you are having some comments, you will understand that, okay, this piece of code belongs to this functionality. This piece of code belongs to that functionality. Okay. Now here, depart date. Okay. So driver
Dot
dot
and element.
find
Find
element.
elements.
Element or elements?
Element.
Elements.
Element.
By dot id.
ID. Dot click.
Dot click.
Dot click. Okay. So now it will click here. Okay. And then what I have to do after clicking? I have to
We
I have to check this value.
delete.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So here, how many windows are there?
Two.
Two.
Okay. For example, I am telling, I will just give today like a string. I will give required date. Required day is equal to which day? Tell me 1 month and day.
August 5th.
August 5th. We will give little bit long. November I am giving November 5. Okay. Require month.
Month.
Okay. So now we know that we are expecting this date and this month. Okay. Now, when we are expecting this, then what we have to do? What we have to do first?
We compare the
So first
month
we
of
have
the-
to check the
Read.
month. Yes or no?
check the month.
The titles. So how to check? If we go here, so I'm just trying. Okay, I selected this block. Okay.
Okay.
When I select this block, it is giving me UI data picker. Okay. So I will just try. So it is, do it has any ID?
No.
No. Okay. See, when I go here, it is giving me
Only.
whole part. Okay.
Right.
Okay. When I go here, it is giving me whole part, but I don't want whole, because if in the whole part, even the arrow also is coming. See, this one also is coming. Yes or no? Navigation, next to previous also coming. We don't want that to check which month is. So I have to go and select the exact title. Okay.
Okay.
You are able to see the difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I select this element, the whole block is coming, but in that I don't want navigating to next month. Okay. I want only the title. So I will just go here and select this. Okay.
Okay.
So when you are selecting element also, you have to select where exactly you want. Okay. So I don't select this. I just select this one alone. Okay. So now here, this is the class I'm having. So can you tell me how to write XPath when you have a class, when you don't have ID and name?
Class.
dash double
Double slash.
Mm-hmm.
Div.
Mm-hmm.
square
Uh-huh.
braces at the rate class
Mm-hmm.
equals to single quotes the UI and UI hyphen date picker.
Very good. So now, how many elements I'm getting?
Two.
Correct or not?
No. Yeah.
Okay. When it is having 2 elements, then how? What we do when we have
We
2
will go with
elements?
the from parent.
We
Parent.
should go down and we have to keep slash and give the another tag name.
Take them.
Or we can give like this,
Yes.
Yes.
but it is also not working.
No.
So now,
Export.
X.
so here, Farhana, you were telling something. Tell me.
So we have to minimize, and if there is, we have to give the slash and give the another tag name of the term. So we can find the element.
Now, if we give tag name here, it will So the next what is tag? Here only it is having span. Yes or no? Inside this, we are
Yeah.
having only span. If we give
Span.
span, it will select. See here there are two again, 4 elements.
4 elements.
June
Mm,
2023, July 2023. There are 4 elements. Okay. So now, because here we are having like this, what we can do? Can we go to its parent and then navigate? See,
Yeah.
see,
yes.
this is one,
Yes.
this is one. There are two, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Means this is one whole section. This is so there are two sections, 2 months. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we can get the reference of this whole month and then we can get the title. We can get the reference of this whole month and then get the title. Can we try that?
Yes.
Okay. So now what I'm trying to find, I'm trying to separate these two. This is one window. This is one window. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just navigating. I want text path where I can
Find the whole window.
find the whole calendar. Okay. So I'm just navigating up. No, no. See,
Yes.
see where, see when I'm taking my pointer to here, it is giving me total. Okay. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So when I am going here, it is giving me this. So I want to select these two separately. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then inside this, I can go to that title. Inside this, I can go to the title. Yes or no? Very good.
Yes.
Right.
Now here, if you see this,
Mhm.
this is also not having ID. This is also not having name. Then how will you verify?
By
Using the
using
XPath. Okay.
Expert.
But here the XPath is very big. So can somebody tell?
Content we can use.
Okay. Div. Then
Div.
open
Open brace.
bracket,
Contains.
class,
yeah, I will tell first this and then I will tell contains. Okay.
Okay.
and close.
See, we are getting how many elements?
1.
One exactly. But here, if you see, it's very big. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the one which we are selecting. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to find this uniquely. For example, this class name, this was so much big, right? Yes or no? So even in class name, there are two sections. This is one, this is one. See,
Okay.
this is one, and
And-
this is still here. So there are two sections in class also.
Yes.
Yeah. So for example, if I give this one till here, what happens? We will see. So here there is something called contains. What?
Contains.
Contains.
Contains. So in XPath, till now we are writing normal XPath. Okay. Whenever something is bigger, then we can write contains. What we can write?
Contains.
Contains means you no need to give the whole value. You can give only the partial unique value. Okay. No need to give whole value. You can give only partial. When I say partial means some matching value you can give. So this is the attribute. This is the whole as attribute value. When I say contains, you no need to give the whole attribute value. You can give just partial means 50% or some percent. Okay. Either you can give this or this. So I will give first. We will try to find using this what happens. So I'm giving this value. Okay. And this is contains, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I'm telling if this is containing in the class name or not. For that, what we have to do before @ I am writing contains and then bracket and then at the end also bracket. And then because it is contains, we have to remove equals and put comma. Okay. See what we did? We just added contains and then we added brackets. Inside that we wrote this. Because it is contains, we can't equals, we remove equals and put comma. See, now also how many elements are getting?
2.
2.
Because this whatever we used, okay, whatever class name we used, UI date picker group. The second calendar also has same UI date picker group. Yes or no?
Yes.
But
Yeah.
what is different? This is
The
different.
second
UI
part,
date picker
yes.
first and UI date picker last.
Last.
So what we can do, we can select this one to find it unique. We'll try this. See? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I am telling if this is contains, then I can write here. Okay. So now from this, what you want? From this window, what you want? From this window, you want
Title.
title. So this is the window. This is the whole window. From this, where is the title? This is one div. Okay. And then inside this table, no, I don't want this. I don't want this.
Yeah, we can use the div.
So this is div. Inside div, again we have div. Yes or no?
Yeah.
See, this is actual div. Okay. Whatever we have written now, XPath. Inside this div, there is one more div with the whole above section. Okay. Inside that, there is two. One is A and one is div. We want a div. Yes or no? So here we have to write div. If you write one div, then it is selecting the whole section. In this section, we have two parts. One part belongs to this arrow, one part belongs to this title. Okay. If you give /A, it is selecting arrow. Yes or no?
Okay.
Instead of that, if I give /div, it is selecting
The title part.
this is how we want. Yes or no?
Right.
So this is the XPath which we have written to find the title of the first calendar, first element, first month. Okay.
Right.
I will just write one variable like string first header, something like this. Okay. Is equal to driver dot here find element or elements.
Element.
Elements.
Huh? So the XPath, whatever I have written, is giving me one value or multiple values.
Multiple. Value.
So when it is one value, then it
It's
should be
elements.
element
Element.
only, right?
Element.
Find element by dot XPath. Okay. Now I have to do dot. What I have to tell? Hey driver, find
Get
this
it.
element and get text. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Why we are trying to get the text? To see if that text is matching to month we want. Yes or no? Once it is matching, then we will say go inside and select the date which you want. Okay. So in the same way, can you find for the second also? So what is the difference between first and second?
Title.
If I want to write XPath,
Last. The last.
so here it is first and here it is just last. That's it. Only this is different. Everything is same, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah.
So this is the XPath which we wrote. The same. And here instead of first, I can place last. See, it is selecting July 2023. Yes or no? So now I can write, I will write one more variable string. So why I'm writing means I'm just trying to find whether the calendar, whichever is open, having the title which belongs to my month, my expecting month. Okay. If it is matching to my expecting month, then only I will go and select the day. Else I will go and click on next. First header, second, I will just use second header is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath.
Okay.
So everyone following, right? It's not confusing, right? It's clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now I will just print here and see what happens. Okay. So we will see what it prints. Okay, so it is reading. So what it is reading the values.
June 2023, July 2020.
So which month you want? So it is 2023. So I have to give November 2023 is our expected. Okay. So now which month we want?
November.
20.
Okay, very good. Now what you will tell to driver? So driver, you told to driver to get this title and get this title.
Okay.
Then if it is not, then what you will tell to driver?
To
You
check
have to click the
the-
arrow to get the November month.
So we will check, hey
First we
driver,
have to-
check the title of first window.
Okay.
If it is not November, then check the title of second window. Then even if it is not November, then go and click on this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
again check first and
Mhm.
then second. If it is not November, then go and click here. Same way till it matches. He has to click on this arrow. Yes or no?
Right.
So we will tell if first header is matching to November,
Mhm.
if second window is matching to November. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So here we can write if else if, right? Yes or no? If
Yes.
this is matching, then do this, go and select. If it is not matching, then go here. If, else if both are not matching, then else click on here. We can write yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will write here. So now we know what are the titles. So now I will write if my first header dot
Mhm.
equals to month, required month. Okay.
Mhm.
Then we have to go and select the days. Yes or no?
Yes.
Else.
Yes.
Else. So here it is else or else if,
Else.
Else if.
Else if.
because it is a condition. We have to pass condition also, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is my condition? Second header
Second
Dot
header.
Dot equals.
dot
equals required.
equals to second required month. Okay. Then you go and do this action. Okay. If these two are not matching, then
Else click.
click. Yes or no? So we have to give else click. Okay. Clear. So now we are
Yes.
going to write if it is
Yes.
matching, then what we have to do. Okay. So if it is matching, assume this is only November. This is only November. Then what we are going to do? We have to go and read the
Selected.
Date.
see. You
Date.
want, for example, you want 24.
Yes.
Okay. You want 24. For example, I will change this to June only. Okay. Just to test first. Okay. If it is working, then we'll make it November. Okay. So
Okay.
now we are telling if it is matching. So here if it will match. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because we are giving June 2023. Then we are telling if it is matching, then go inside and get me all the dates. All the days. In that you go and select 24. To get 24, the driver has to find where is 24. The 24 can be here or here or here or here. It can be in any position. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So first what it has to do, it has to read each and every day. It has to go and check and then click on 24. You agree?
Okay. Yeah.
For that, what we have to do? Tell me.
Inspect.
Inspect the date.
Get that that month parent.
Okay. Farhana, tell me what we have to do now. What we have to tell to driver?
Inspect.
Inspect the.
You have already taken the. Then we have to write the syntax.
No. Now you are going to inspect what?
The calendar in that the dates. We have
Dates. So you want
Yeah.
day or dates?
dates.
Day.
So here
No,
it
no.
is.
We have to see all. Yeah.
Tell me.
Like we need the date 24, but we need to read all the dates first.
Exactly.
Like
So
working on it.
now we have to read all the dates, all the days in that month, and then go and select the day which we want. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
So when you are telling all the dates, then it is find element or elements.
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 So now we have to write a XPath in such a way that all the dates are
Read.
selected. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Shall we write that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So here now we are in this first section. Okay. Then we are
Yes.
going inside. Then this is the top section. We don't want this. Then we go here. So it is a table. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then inside this table, if you go, you're having something thread, which is the weekdays names. But we don't want weekdays. We want body.
The body.
So in body, again, you are having something TR. See, it is row, table row. Yes or no?
Mm.
Okay.
And then inside TR, again, you are having TD. So if you want to select one, then you have to give this TD. You agree?
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we will do that now. Okay. Now we have to write a XPath where it selects all the dates. Okay. So here, if you see, there are all the TDs. So this is one, this is one, this is one. This is... Okay, fine. So here, if you see, these are all unselectable because these are all disabled, right? Past
Yes.
days. So first row, we can't select first row because everything is unselected. Okay.
Mhm.
Second row. In third row, if I go to third row directly, if you see here, there will be some different. See, they are designing in such a way that this is a class name. What is class name? Because based on the class name only, the behavior of the element will be based on the
That's it.
class name, the behavior. If you see here, the 14 is highlighted automatically. Yes or no?
Yes.
See, I'm not doing anything. When I click here, the 14 is automatically highlighted. Why?
It's today's
The,
date.
it's a present day.
It
Current
indicates
date.
that it is today's
date.
date. Okay. If you see the same website tomorrow the 14 will be disabled like 13, and then we can see 15 as highlighted
Right.
tomorrow. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I mean, how they are defining, my developer, how he is defining is, he will take the system date and then he will highlight that particular date like this. Okay. For that, what he is doing is, if you go to the TR, so this is TR. In TR, we are having first TD. This is for day 11. Okay. If you see
Okay.
11, he giving like date picker weekend something. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Because 11 is Sunday. He's giving weekend. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And also he has added UI date picker unselectable, UI state disable, because these are past days. Yes or no? So my developer has written multiple class names. Okay. So when you come here, okay, he has written only two. He has written just unselectable and disable. Why he has not written weekend?
Because it's
Because the
Monday.
day 12 is
Right.
not weekend. Okay.
Right.
Even for 13, he has written the same as 12. Okay. But when you come to 14, see, he has written additionally UI date picker today. So no,
Okay.
UI date picker current date. You can see the difference.
Yes.
So
Okay.
based on this, the day, for example, if I go tomorrow,
Mhm.
for tomorrow, the class name is empty. See, you agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So based on this days, we are just trying, based on this class names, we are trying to find the days. Okay. So for example, if we go inside this, so if we want to read 24, okay, I will just go here. This is a date
Yes.
24. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is inside this TD. So now here, using this 24, can I try to find the class uniquely? See, for this is 23, this is 22. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now what
Yeah.
is common among all? You tell me.
UI state default.
So UI state default is common. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone see, this is for
Yes.
22, this is for 23, this is for
20.
24. So whenever I mouse over, it is highlighting. Okay. So now I want to select all the days, means we have to find a common. So everywhere common it is UI state default. Yes or no?
Right.
So
Yeah.
I will just create an XPath using this. We will see what happens. So it is A, right?
Yes.
A,
Yeah.
then at the rate class. It is, so I can use here contains, or directly I can use that.
Directly we can
Yes.
use.
Directly
See.
connect.
Why directly we can use?
It's not very big
Like,
for like big
Okay.
statement.
Okay. It is giving me 46 values.
46. 46.
Giving me 46 values, but how many? I should get more, right? So why it is giving 46? Here it is how many? 31.
31 days.
But it is 15 days something here. Okay, so it is giving 46. Okay, but I want
Okay.
the whole thing. Okay, but I'm sorry, I don't want both. I want only this month to check.
June.
So it is giving 46, where this belongs to 31 days of July and 15 days of this June. Okay, it is giving 46, but I don't want this 31. I want only this 15. In that case,
First, we have to go to
First, highlight
the
that first window.
first window, then
okay. So here, can we
Oh.
give the reference of its parent?
Yeah.
yes,
Because
Yes.
the child, yes or no?
yes,
Slash.
So we
It
can give
is-
the reference of the parent first. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will just put on charging and. Okay, so here, so what we have to do? We have to find the parent also, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
yes,
So for parent, already we know what is the parent. We have already written. What is that? For example, I want to select the parent, the whole window. This is a whole window. Inside this, we have this for parent. Yes or no?
Mhm.
This is which one we are selecting.
yes,
Even we tried this one last time
yes.
to select the title. So I'm just writing once again. So we can copy, but still I'm writing for you people to get practice. Div at the rate. So here we are writing contains. How to write contains? Simple. In the
Contains
after
a
square,
Contains.
contains, and then bracket at the rate class is equal to
No equal to.
yes. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is giving me. So this is parent. Yes or no?
Yeah.
For example, I will just open a notepad. So this is a parent. Now what is child? We wrote, for example, if I go to 24th, this is my. So here it is, see, for 24th it is having 2. How many it is having?
2.
2. For 23 it is having only 1. 22 it is having only 1. Okay. Let me just select and see what happens. So on whatever I am mouse hovering, it is telling additional it is giving. See, if I mouse over, for example, I will mouse over on 21st, it is giving me additional UI state hover. See, if we so now this is for 23. Okay, 22. This is for 22. Okay. Do you see mouse hover class name?
No.
No, right? Now I will take my mouse to 22. For
Yes.
22 you got yes or no? So wherever
Yeah.
I'm mouse hovering, they are giving one more additional class. Okay, fine, no problem. So now can we so because here we are getting additional class name, can we use here also contains as a UI default state? Okay,
No. Okay.
now we can use contains,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
See, matching or contains, anything is fine. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here it is div, no, not div, it
Yeah.
is yeah.
A.
Yeah, okay.
Match.
Okay, I will remove this div and I will give yeah. See, here we are getting 48 now. Okay, but we don't want all, we want only belongs to 1 month. So this is parent, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
And these are child days. Okay, so I'm just copying this, I'm just giving space and then putting like this. That's it.
Right.
So now what I'm telling, hey, for this parent, this child. Okay,
Right.
now I will remove this. I will put here. See,
17.
okay, clear.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we will go to here. See, if you want, so I will, this is, we have written. Now I will remove this first and give you last. Then what happens, we will see. Okay. If I give last, what happens?
It highlights the second window.
How many should come elements?
31.
51.
See, yes or no?
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So you understood how we can write parent and child.
Yes.
Yeah. Whenever the child you are unable to find for specific window, then you can give the reference of the parent. Okay. Clear? Not clear?
Clear.
No?
Yes, yes, hello.
Yes.
Clear.
Clear.
Okay. So now here, this is find element or elements?
Elements.
Elements.
Tell me, driver dot
Find
Find
elements.
elements.
find elements
By dot.
by dot
X path.
x
Path of
path,
the
and then we are giving this. Okay, very good. So now because this is elements, can you get text directly?
No.
No.
No. So what we have to do this,
create a
Create
variable.
Create
we
a
have
variable.
to we have to give a, for example, I'm giving variable like all days is equal to. Okay. Now
Web.
this is string or int?
Web element.
Web element.
Exactly. And it is single value or multiple values?
Multiple
Multiple.
values.
Then
Multiple
it is
values.
array. So it is array list. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm giving list.
List of
Okay.
Web
And
element.
then
Web
web
element.
element.
Web element.
So you need not to worry what to give also. You can just put your mouse over find elements, the method, and then you can copy and paste. No problem at all. Okay. Even if you don't know, you need not to worry. Okay. Copy. Okay. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
List.
And then you can import.
Web element.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Super. So now we are going to save all our values in
All days.
all days. All the values means element values. Okay. Now after that, what we have to do? We have to get
the values
how
by creating another variable.
see
Okay. Dot 7.
now what this all days will have
Web
All
element.
the
all the
the
17
date.
web elements. Yes or no?
right.
All the
Right.
17 web elements. Now what you want?
24.
particular date or like
Particular
24.
date, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
you have to read each value of that element, and then you have to check if it is matching to your date or not. If it is matching, then go and click on that. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So now what we have to do?
Create a for loop
Why?
because to read all the web element.
Exactly.
And
So
yes.
shall we write normal for loop or enhanced for loop?
Enhanced for loop.
Enhanced for
Tell me, who will tell?
Web element. Can I try,
Okay.
sir?
Yeah, web element. Who want to try?
Ah,
Who want to try? Tell me first.
Seventh.
Then any other? Anyone wants to tell? Try how to write enhanced for loop. Only Shravanti wants to try. Rajni, Sridevi.
Yeah, I want to try.
Okay, try them. Shravanti will give one chance to
Yeah.
Farhana. Okay.
Web element,
Why web element?
because the list of all the dates are in that
Okay. Web
yeah,
element.
web
Then
element. Any variable.
okay, for example, all days. I will give day. Okay. Day. Okay.
Enhanced means like colon
Okay.
and all days.
Okay. So this is that correct, Shravanti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we are telling from this, all days has all the 17 elements in that.
Right.
Every time in every loop you take 1 value. Okay, till all you
7.
cover. Okay, till all 17 you take at a time 1 and cover. So now what we have to do here, we have to get the text of this day, because this day will have one element. Okay, so driver can get the text of one element, he can't get the text of 17 elements at a time. So we wrote a for loop
Print
and then we are telling okay, day
Day.
dot
all day.
Get
Get
text.
Get text.
yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, super. So now shall we print this and see?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. So till now it's everyone is clear, right?
Yeah.
For everyone, eh? See, everyday sessions, every day we are learning new things. Okay, it's every day, every minute is very important. Okay.
Yes.
I think people are using already started bookings, so it's become very slow. Sometimes I'll just run once again. Because why I'm using this real-time actual websites is so that you people will get confident. Okay, I can take some dummy websites, but you want to get some confidence, right? So now you are feeling like you are working in some real application like that. Okay,
Right.
so if you see here, it has not printed. Why? For first name header dot equals to man, then it's going, we are going inside all days. Okay, and then we are writing for list. Okay, I will just try to print the size also here. We'll see what happens. So for this all days, we can give size. Okay, is dot size. Okay, so I'm printing the size, and then I will go inside element days. Okay. I will just try to. I will debug. Okay, we will debug now. If it is not working, then we will see normal for loop. Okay, we will see what happens now. Because the calendar is there. Okay, so now I'm pressing F6. So what is the size? 17. Yes or no? Okay, it is printing. Okay, clear? This is printing all the days. Yes or no? I think last time because it was very fast, so it could not read. Okay, fine. So now what we have to tell? We have to select which day. For example, I want June 24. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I have to tell to driver, now he's able to read all the days. Okay. If you have to give if, yes or no? If
Yes.
day dot get
X
text
equals
dot equals to required day, then go and
Print.
click on that. Yes or no?
Yes.
But we need
Okay.
to give that link, right?
So already we are reading that 24 we know, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So day is 24. Yes or no?
Yes.
Day dot
Okay.
click.
Okay.
See, for day only we are getting text. It is giving 24. So using the day
Right.
only we are telling click, because we will
Yeah, yeah.
click on the element only,
Yes.
right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can we
yes.
give like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall we try run this?
Yes.
Yes.
We will
Yes.
debug. We will debug only. Okay. Okay. So now it is printing me 17. Very good. So I need, it's not printing 14. Calendar is closed. Huh? Okay. Calendar is getting closed. When we are just doing some other operations, calendar is getting closed. Okay. The calendar is getting closed. I will just run now and see whether the calendar is getting closed or what. You see, it is opening the calendar and then it is very fast. It is clicking, but it's closing. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You saw it clicked and closed. Yeah. But it is reading few and then it is closing. Okay. It was very fast. Okay. So no problem. What we do here, we all know whenever something is not working, we can give forcible action. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
here we are doing click right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we will use this click. We will use this click forcibly. Okay. Then we will see what happens. Yeah. So what I will do, I will just comment this. Where we used the forcible action, we used in
Drop down.
drop down.
Mhm.
Without select, drop down
Select.
without select. This is the one, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Forcible action. I'm just copying that. I'm going to calendar. I will put it here. So here I will just, this is XPath, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I will remove this and I will give this ID instead of XPath. Okay, so I'm telling this is the element which it has to click. Okay. Now we will see what happens. Okay, see now which date is selected?
It's 24th, 4,
24.
Okay, what date we gave?
24.
24.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So here, see, I will run once again. So I will run once again. So if you see, after selecting 24, we are getting some error message. See, initially it is 14, current date is selected, okay? So
Yeah.
it will go click on that calendar, it will select 24. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It is reading all the days and selecting. So, but here there is still again some error message.
Mhm.
Why there is error message? Because now what it is doing, it is trying to iterate because we are having a web element for loop, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So even after 24, we are having some other days also. 25, all the days we are having. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have to put a break because we are already doing the action here.
Okay.
We are doing the action here. After that, we have to tell a break. No need to go further because already the when you click on that, already the window is closed. Then you can't read any other. You can't loop further. See, still days, it is having values where the for loop has to run, but we are telling break. Why? Because already we got the day which we want. Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
So I have to give break. Okay.
Break for the for loop, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
But you give it to the if condition.
No, it will, wherever we give, it will stop there only. Okay. See, there is no error. Yes or no?
Okay.
Because it is breaking. Immediately break means it will stop the execution. Okay.
Okay.
So now it's good. But we want November. What we want? November we want, not June. Then what we has to do? First, it has to check the first window. Okay. And then get the title. If it is matching, then go inside and do. Okay. If it is not matching to the first window, then it has to go to the second window and then do the same action. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then it has to second window and then do the same. So I will copy the same logic and I will place it in here. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then what I do, I will just rename this first to last. Clear? So I'm telling if this is requested date matching to my date, then do the action. Else, go. So November. Okay. So here we will go and check what happens. So everything remains same here. Okay. So we are telling if the second window is November, then go. For example, I will give July because July is my second window, right? I will just show you July. And then I'm giving some date 20. Okay. So now we are expecting which date to select.
July 20th.
July 20.
July 20th. Okay. So here we are giving last. Here we are giving last. So it will go there. It will select everything. So the size will be printing here, not 17. The size will be printing 31. Okay. And then it will go inside and then click. Okay. See which it has selected.
July 20th.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because this is what we have given. Okay. Assume now I want November. Then because it is not June and July, then it has to click on this arrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how to click on that? I'm inspecting. So I'm selecting here. I'm doing inspect and it is having
Class.
it is having class. So here also I can use contains. Yes or no? Because it is very big, I can use contains. Okay. No problem. You can use directly or you can use contains also. Okay. Anything you can use.
Okay.
So I can go here. I will use span. Span is the tag name. Contains bracket @ class, comma. See, it is highlighting or not?
Yes.
So I will go here. So where I have to write this part?
Else.
Why
Last.
else?
The last one.
Because we are telling if this is not matching, then check this. Even if this is not matching, then go and do this action. Okay.
Right.
Driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click.
Click.
Yes or no? So
Yeah.
so after click, what it will do? After click,
Yes.
again, it has to go here and again check. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
We will see. Shall we debug now?
Yes.
See, we want November. Okay. We'll see what happens. So first window, what would be the title? Will it be November?
No.
No, July.
What would be the title?
June.
June.
First
Okay.
is June.
I debugged or I ran? I think I have not debugged, I have ran. Huh? I'm not sure. I will just place it here. And then I'm debug as. Okay. So now I'm debugging. So first it is giving me June. Second, it is giving me July. So whether
Yes.
this is matching.
No.
No.
First header is June is equals to November. No, it will not go
No.
inside, it will come outside. Else if second header, it is July. July matching to November. No,
No.
it is going to, and then it is clicking here. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is clicking here. Very good. Then what it has to do?
Go again. and
Exits the page.
So here it has already clicked. So only it got July and August. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It was June and July. Now it got July and August. So now again I have to go and do the same work again. Means I have to,
Loop.
but I have not written
Continue.
loop. But I have not written loop here. Where I have written loop?
No.
I have not written loop. Have I written loop?
No.
No.
Then how it will know that I have to loop? Then I have to tell it to loop, right?
Yeah.
Then we have to tell, hey, you have to iterate. What? Where it has to iterate?
Before.
Where?
So it has to change its first header to second header, then only it can.
See, now I will write a for loop here. Okay.
Okay.
We will see. Why I have to write for loop means again it has to, after clicking on this, again it has to go and read the first header.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this time the header will be July. Again it has to do the second header. Now the header will be August.
Yes.
If is it matching? No. Then again it has to go and click. Again it has to go. It's
Yeah.
loop, yes or no? So
Yeah.
I am writing a for loop on top. Okay.
Okay.
For I will give int header example, something variables. Okay. Int headers is equal to 1. I can, because I can give some value here, because the values will not change, because maximum I can click on more than 10 times, because it will be only 12 months. Yes or no?
Yes.
I can give equals 9 or 10, anything. Okay. You can header plus. Yes or no?
Yes.
Headers. Okay. And now I will remove this and I will place at the end. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So now shall I debug?
Yes.
We'll see what happens. So everyone understood why we wrote for loop?
Yes.
Yeah.
So previously without for loop, it was just coming out. It was, the execution was stopping after clicking on that next button. Yes. So now we are expecting it has to go and iterate again. Okay. So now, so it is. So it is having June. It is having July. It is not matching. This is not matching. It is clicking here. Again after clicking, see, again it is looping.
Yes.
Yes or no? Now it comes to me in July. Again, it will give me August.
Okay.
Is it matching? No,
No.
not matching. Then again, it will click here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, it is going to read the headers. This time it will be
And
August.
August.
Again, September. Again, it will go and click. This time it will be September. Again, it will be October.
Yes.
Now it will go and click again. Now this time it will be October. Now it is November is matching. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Means it has to go inside.
Yes.
See, it is
Yes.
going inside. And then it is giving me all the dates. And then it is going and selecting. So now here I don't want to debug, I want to run. Then what I have to do? See, till now I debugged step by step. But from here, I know that the code is working. Then I want to run. Then what I have to do? Because till now I was doing step over F6. From going forward, what I have to do? I have to execute from here. Huh?
F.
What?
Have you?
Resume. I have to click on resume. See,
F8.
okay, that is a functionality of resume, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So whenever we are debugging and we want to continue our execution, then we have to click on resume. That's it. See, it has selected 20. See, which date it has selected?
November 20.
20 November.
Yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
Because it is breakpoint. It got, again, I'm resuming. And it is giving me some error also. Yes or no? Okay. So now I will stop my class here. You people have to resolve this error. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So I will push my code. So everyone are able to get the latest code, right? Every day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I will push my code also. And then you people can try to fix this error and let me know. Okay. Why you are getting this error. Okay. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
See slowly how many lines of code we have written. Almost 80 lines of code we have written. Okay, fine. So now how to push?
Push.
I want to push my code to repository. How to do that?
Open the file path.
So I'm right clicking on my project. I'm going to properties. I'm going to that folder. In this folder, I'm opening command prompt. Okay, and then I will do git status because just I want to see what are all the files which I have modified. Okay, I can do git add. Okay, dot. So git add dot, what it will do? It will add all the files whatever has changed. Okay, and then I will do, for example, I want to check whether everything has been added or not. I will do once again git status. Now I can see everything is in green. If something is not in green, then again you do git add dot. Okay, so now everything is done. So now I have to do git commit if a name and then something comment I can give. What commit, what contains this commit, what code it contains. So I'm giving something like calendar code. Okay, now once it is commit, it is creating a bundle. Now I have to push this. Okay, git push origin
master.
Okay, so now see, now we are running all these commands. Yes or no?
Yeah.
At the end, I will tell you how to do using Eclipse only. You will not do all these commands. We no need to remember also. For your knowledge, I'm giving all these commands. Okay, because in interview, you have to tell commands only. Okay. At the end, I will teach you how to do from Eclipse only, how to push, how to pull everything from Eclipse only. Okay. Clear? See now, now how will you pull? You will go to your folder. The folder name will be India morning batch. Okay, so you will go inside this folder and then open command prompt and run the command git pull origin master. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We'll stop session and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye. Have a nice day.